Welcome to another customer self-service video. This video will demonstrate how to create a common KPI report. This report will show you the number of PO-based invoices that you have that require receipt. The report shows you the total PO count and then the number of invoices that have had a receipt exception. To create the report, we need to go to Create and select Analytical Report from the menu. We'll go ahead and name our report, and then we need to choose our fact table. This particular report is going to be a multi-fact table using two different fact tables. The first table that we're going to select is the invoice, procurement, and invoicing fact table. And then the second fact table we want to select is the purchase order, procurement, and invoicing fact table. For this report, we're only looking for PO-based invoices, so we do not want to include invoice data that does not have a matching PO to it. So we'll leave this checkbox unmarked and then go add our data fields. From the invoice table, we're going to add the invoice count field, and from the purchase order table, we're going to add the PO count field. And once we have added those data fields, we'll click on Next. In this next step, we're going to go ahead and add the fields to our pivot layout. From the invoice table, we're going to be adding 4 columns: the invoice ID, the accounting date, the approved date, and the contract. From the purchase order table, we're going to be adding 1 field to the data section, which is POID, and then we're going to be adding the receiving type as a page field. And then we can click on Next. The final section, we can go ahead and set our date range for a report, and then we also need to select our receiving types. So we want to go ahead and select both of these that we have here and click on Include. Now we can go ahead and run our report. And so then the results of our report will show us the number of invoices that we have that are requiring receipt. You can either drill down from here, or we can switch over to Detail View to further inspect the data. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any follow-up questions, please reach out to your Customer Engagement Executive or SAP Ariba support.